Okay, when you have your square, we're going to fold it on the diagonal in both directions. So fold it and then open it and fold it again on the diagonal. Always making sure to match your corner really well there, and then just bring the fold down and crease it. And then we're going to open it up again and then fold it across, matching your corners, two corners here, and bringing that down like that. So that fold should come right in the center. Okay, now I'm going to just reverse that fold like that. So now I have a piece of paper that looks like this, that the sides want to fold in a little. And you bring those two sides together like that, and then push down so you have a pyramid shape that looks like this. Okay, now our next step is we're going to fold up each corner to the top of the pyramid. So take each corner and match it right to the tip, right up to the top, and crease that well. And we'll do that for all four corners. And crease it down nice. Now flip it over and repeat with all the other two corners. You want to make sure as you're folding it, everything's folding up nice and neat and even. Here's the last corner. And there's what it looks like. You have all four corners flipped up. Our next step is to take the side corners, all four side corners, and fold that into the center.